In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use tags in Constant Contact. Tags are a simple way to organize your contact list so you can find people faster and send more targeted emails. Think of a tag as a label you attach to a contact, like customer, prospect, event attendee, or any category that makes sense for your business. The same contact can have more than one tag, which makes tags especially helpful for sorting and segmenting later. To get started, log into your Constant Contact account and go to the main navigation. Click Contacts to open your contact dashboard. This is where you will see your full list of contacts, along with tools for managing them. Next, choose the contacts you want to tag. You will do this by checking the box next to each contact name. Take your time here, especially if you are selecting multiple people. It helps to scan the names carefully so you tag the right group. If you need to tag just one person, simply check the single box for that contact. If you are tagging several, continue selecting the boxes for everyone you want included. Once your contacts are selected, look for the Actions menu near the top of the contacts list. Click Actions, then choose Add Tags. This opens the tagging option for the contacts you have highlighted. Now you will pick the tag you want to apply. Use the drop-down menu to select an existing tag. After you have chosen the tag, click Add. This applies that tag to every contact you selected, all at once. This is a big time saver compared to updating contacts one by one. If you do not see the tag you need, you can create a new one right here. Type the new tag name into the tag field, and when Constant Contact prompts you, confirm that you want to create it. Then proceed to add it, just like you would with an existing tag. A helpful tip is to keep tag names short, consistent, and easy to recognize. Clear naming makes it much easier to stay organized as your list grows. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.